All right, Slowbro. This is Nidoking. What is wrong with me? I pulled this exact one already. Poliwhirl. Yeah! Today unboxing this Evolutions Pokemon complete box. Look at that Raichu Evolutions. Let's take it apart. Now is this what you do? Whatever. Okay, yeah.
I don't think I do it.
Yeah, I don't think that's how you do it either, but yes. Are we gonna get a Charizard, baby? Is that what we're talking about? Okay, Charmeleon. Electrode. Trainer. Ear-fetched, not to be confused with far-fetched.
What?
It's ear-fetched.
It's supposed to be far-fetched.
Caterpie, Full Heal, Ghastly, Growlithe, and another one of these Togekiss. What a weak deck.
that was the worst. The only good one was the Charmeleon.
Seriously, like, and then if you look at this one's already, looks like it's already kind of been opened, maybe when I went through custom. It's a Charizard! Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful Charizard?
Yeah.
That's a good looking Charizard from an Evolutions deck. And so let's open it, see what we got. So a Staryu to kick it off. We got a Staryu.
Hopefully it's not the same thing.
Oh, I hope so too, because it looks like it's a Staryu. Oh, you again, coughing. Hitmonchan, Kakuna. Like, did they just make like 8 cards? And they're like, everyone's gonna get the same 8. I don't care. Drowsy, Dugtrio, Gardevoir.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so these are all the holos we've gotten so far.
There's so many news.
It seems like each one's coming with a full art holo, but like weak ones. It's like full art holo Caterpie.
Oh, I was about to say that.
Right? That'd be crazy. Okay, so this one is Pokemon. This is another XY Evolutions. Let's do it.
If you get another star, you probably know what's coming next, right?
Exactly. Daddy ain't no fool. Oh, but they mixed it up on me. Look at that. We got ourselves a trainer. And another Charmander. Okay. Slowbro! Whoa, dude. Check out this Slowbro. This one's pretty cool. Check it out. And a Nidoking! I will take it. I love this is and an Electro. This pack is fire. This is a good one. Electabuzz, good. Poliwhirl, I'll take it. And then, what is this? A Ninetales? What? The Ninetales something. Okay, an Onyx. And then this thing. This thing was great. This was a great pack. This pool that we just did right now.
Oh, it's a size. It's a Sizer.
It's a Sizer, right? The
version of Sizer.
Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so, was there any other holos in there? Oh, no, but I'll take these because I think Slowbro, big fan. Nidoking, big fan. Electabuzz with the commons. Poliwhirl with the commons. All right, let's.
Got Ninetales.
Oh, yeah. Good call. Check out this Ninetales, dude. This is too legit to quit. Okay, so now we're gonna do.
I didn't even know if you got a Ghastly.
Yeah, we got a Ghastly. This one feels a bit chonky too. This one feels a little chonky.
Hopefully it's not the same thing.
Just give me a Charizard. Is this a Pidgey? Fire Pidgey! What kind of Pidgey is this? Look at my Fire Pidgey. Pidgeot, Japanese fire version. This is awesome.
Wow.
Check it out. Charizard Spirit Link? This is pretty sweet. It's not a Charizard card, but it's got 2 Charizards on it. Flying Pikachu! This is a good one. This is a good one. Put this in the rares. And a Charizard! Very cool. We got ourselves a...
Isn't the rares over there?
No, but this is from this deck. We're just putting just all this decks.
Oh,
Blastoise! We got a Blastoise Spirit Link. This deck is fire. Beedrill. I like it. Arcanine. I like it. Seal. That's Sealy. Oh, and the Mewtwo GX. EX.
Wait.
Mewtwo EX.
You have to give me that one.
That was a great pull. I'd say we pulled really bad ones at first, and now we're
getting Charizard, Mewtwo.
yeah. Now we're getting pure fire right now. So just a quick recap of everything we've gotten so far out of this box. We have this ultra sweet Ninetales. We've got a Nidoking. We've got Slowbro, who is always welcome in this house. Sizer EX. Very nice. Togekiss. Ho, I love this guy. He's so happy to be alive. Gardevoir EX. Blastoise Spirit Link. Charizard. Flying Pikachu. Charizard Spirit Link. And Fire Pidgey. And last but not least, Mewtwo EX. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, so let's get the next pack open. Let's see.
What will it be? I hope you get Mew.
I hope I finally get a holo Charizard. But Mew would be nice too. I noticed we're getting a lot of Venusaurs. Maybe the Venusaurs aren't lucky, because I noticed a lot of Venusaurs in the beginning of the video. And we're starting it off strong with a 2016 Pikachu.
Ooh.
We got Fat Pikachu here. That's a good, strong start. Ooh, Misty's Determination. This is a cool one. I'll take it. This is a nice rare.
Wow.
Rattata. Another Mewtwo EX. This one's a non-holographic.
Wow.
A Revive. A Charmander. Another Slowbro. Another Nidoking. Another Electabuzz. And a Mewtwo EX, but it's a different Mewtwo than the one we previously got.
Even better.
This one looks way better, actually. Let's check it out. And so, quick recap of what we got this. We've gotten the Mewtwo non-holo. We got Misty's Determination. Fat Pikachu's going with the common. And then we got a separate version of Mewtwo GX, another Snowblow, and another Nidoking. So,
this is really cool.
Yeah! Ah, yes! Blowing it for good luck. Yeah, I'm blowing it for good luck too. Yeah. Okay, Charizard holographic. Let's do it. Oh, heck yeah. It's a Poliwhirl. Okay, so we got Poliwhirl. Another one of those Ninetales.
Breaks.
Yeah, another Ninetale break.
An Onyx.
Onyx. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Not as good as a Charizard Spirit Link. An OG Mew. So, like, we have all the Mewtwo's now. Like, seriously.
Yeah,
You got Mewtwo EX, GX.
You have it.
We got a Metapod.
Oh, finally, a Metapod.
Yes, so that Caterpie's not so alone. Got a Magnemite. We got Professor Oak's Hint. And we've got Hawlucha.
That is super cool.
Hawlucha. That's pretty cool. Here, take it. So this pack, we got really just another one of these Ninetales.
Yeah.
And we got a Hawlucha. Sorry about that. Hawlucha. So let's go over what we've gotten out of the packs that we've opened so far. We've opened about, I don't know, I'm guessing about 10 packs. So we've gotten, of course, Hawlucha.
I think you got more. Look how many cards there.
Yeah, but these are full packs at 11 each.
Oh.
We got Sideways Ninetales. We got, if you watch the channel or subscribe, you know that we open Family Dollar packs, and sometimes we only have 3. Slowbro, not you, I'm telling the audience in case they don't know why. Alright, we got Mewtwo EX. We got Misty Trainer, which is cool. We got Mewtwo EX, that's like a separate version. That's dope. Another Mewtwo EX, which is even cooler. Fire Pidgeot. Like, seriously, can't say enough good things. Flying Pikachu. Charizard, really cool. Blastoise Link. Original 1999 Mewtwo. And Gardevoir EX with Ho-Oh. And Toggy Kisses with more Slowbros and a Sizer. Okay, so let's open a few more packs before we do another recap.
That's super cool.
Yep, so this one we're opening another Charizard. What?
Let's get a the inside. It was really good. It was really cool that you just sighed as soon as I said that.
Yeah, I know, right? So another Pidgeot Spirit Link. Bleh. Ooh, another Mewtwo. Very good. Put that with a Metapod. Nice. Maintenance. Magnemite. Professor Oak. Magikarp. Machop. And a Virizion EX, which is
That
like...
wasn't that cool.
Oh, yeah. Like, where's my Charizard, bro? Okay. All right. Okay. You know
You
what?
have to open all of them.
Like, what are they hiding the Charizard? Like, this one seems fat and thick. This was a thick one. Yeah, look at that. This is gonna be good. Oop, we're starting off strong with a Growlithe. And, Haunter. I like Haunter. Diglett.
Ooh, Diglett.
Devolution Spray. Clefairy.
Yeah.
Nidoran.
Yeah.
Brock's Grit. Fire Pidgey. And what is this?
Wait, let me. Oh,
Skarmory EX.
I've seen him before. I saw him in Pokemon Swords and Shield. Not Swords and Shield, just Swords. I've seen him in Pokemon Swords.
Yeah, is he cool?
Yes, he's cool.
Very nice. Okay, so that was a decent pull. Alright, do you want to open some?
Yeah.
Alright, after this next one, you can open the rest. Okay. So, this thick one right here will be my final of the night. And then Mia will take over from here. Alright. Come on, Charizard.
Please, Charizard.
Charizard, come on, baby. Come on.
I think he's hiding from you. He doesn't want me.
He doesn't want me to discover him. Ear-fetched. Not to be confused with far-fetched, guys. That's ear-fetched. Caterpie. Nice. Full heal. Ghastly. Growlithe. Haunter. Diglett. Devolutional Spray. Oh, a Rayquaza.
Oh, that's really cool.
Rayquaza. Very nice. Very nice, Rayquaza. Okay, so. Where's my Charizard? Alright, we'll let Mia take over from here.
Okay.
Introduce yourself, Mia.
Sorry. My name is Mia. Let's open this.
Well, is it a chalky one? Like, what is it? Tell me.
It feels.
Does it feel thin? Does it feel thick?
It feels thin.
It's a Venusaur, so let's open it up.
Let's see what's inside. Want to sit next to me? I don't know why I like doing this. Okay, wait.
That just takes off the coloring, though. It doesn't open it. There you go.
First thing we got is this is so hard to open.
Don't worry about it. Just get in there. Yeah, that's right.
Then you got Pidgeot.
Another Fire Pidgey! Another Fire Pidgey.
We got a Pidgeot, a Trainer, a Flying Pikachu,
Nice.
a Charizard.
Charizard.
Here you go.
Thank you.
A Trainer, a Beedrill, an Arcane, a Seal, and another Sizer.
Oh, sweet. Another Sizer.
It's like, I feel like they wanted to take Scizor and put it on a bug type Pokemon, so Sizer.
Yeah, or like the bugs have Sizers.
Oh, true.
There you go. Ah, that's one of the coolest cards that we've come across.
Flying Pikachu, another Charizard.
And so does the Charizard. Blastoise, that goes in the rare deck.
A Beedrill, Arcane, Seal, a Slowbro Trainer,
What
and this.
is this?
Virizion EX.
Alright, Alright.
And now let's open another. This one's a Raichu. This one feels good. Oh, we got something new. It's a Starmie. Starmie, Machop, Super Potion, Surfing Pikachu.
Oh, I'll take Surfing Pikachu.
What's a Surfing Pikachu?
Yeah, and give me that Flying
Singular.
Pikachu later too when you have a chance. Oh, Venusaur, I'll take it.
A Voltorb.
What is that?
It's a Kyogre EX. Want to
Okay.
see?
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
This one feels good too.
Make sure you get the trash out of your way.
We got a Nidoran, Poliwag, Pokédex, Pikachu, oh, a Misty Trainer, Rattata, another Mewtwo, a Trainer, and another Sizer.
Honestly, for an Evolutions box, where is my Charizard? Can you say it with me, folks? ¿Dónde estás, la Charizard? Where are you, buddy? Where are you? Coming to me, foiled up.
Let's see if he listens to you.
They keep giving us, like, non-hollow Charizards. Like, stop playing with our heart, alright? Treat us right.
But, finally got it open. Oh, this one's different. The first thing we got is a Weedle. Weedle, Sandshrew. Oh, this
What
is
is
a
it?
different Pidgey.
That's a Pidgeot. That's a different Pidgeot. Remember, you gotta show the... You have to show them it, you know?
Then a Misty Trainer, and then a Raticate, and a Magmar Trainer, Porygon, and another Mewtwo.
Another Mewtwo! What is
Is this my lucky day? I love Mewtwo. Well, mostly
There's
Mew.
so many Mewtwo. There's so many Mewtwoos.
This one feels good also. See if it is good. Ah. Oh, another Mewtwo.
Another Mewtwo. Jeez Louise.
Metapod, Trainer, Maintenance, Magnemite, Professor Oak's Hint, Magikarp, Machop, Staryu, and another.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Alright.
Let's see if this one has good stuff in it, because it feels really good, and if it doesn't have any good stuff, I'll be so mad. So Dorado, Poliwag, Pokédex, Pikachu, Misty's Determination, Rattata, another Mewtwo.
That's ridiculous. Okay. At this point, you can get out of here, Mewtwo.
Oh,
Oh, we got something new for once?
Deoxys.
Oh, we got something that's not a Mewtwo. What? It's not a Mewtwo.
Hopefully, a Mew or a holographic Charizard EX. That would be really good. A Venusaur, Link Spirit, a Voltorb, Vulpix. Want to see it? Okay. Weedle, Sandshrew, another M-Pidgey.
Disappointing.
This-
Disappointment.
Misty's Determination, and
What?
an Egg
A what?
Slash.
An Aguilash? What the heck is this? Is this even a Pokemon?
It is. It is
Is this-
from Pokemon Swords and Shields. Another Charizard. Please don't fail me. Please give us a Charizard. But a holographic. Beedrill, Arcade, Seal, Slowbro, Spirit Link, Starmie, Backchoke, Trainer, Surfing Pikachu, and another Mewtwo.
Boo. All right, take the time to clean up this area. It's gotten really messy.
Oh, you're right. Okay, we cleaned up the table a little. Now let's do some more cards. I hope this one has at least something good that we don't have. The first thing we get is a Voltorb.
Nice.
Then a Vulpix, Weedle, Sandshrew,
Another Pidgeot.
Misty's Determination, Eradicate, Magmar, and a Dragonite.
Oh, heck yeah! Finally, something good. Dragonite EX.
I like Dragonite.
Oh, that's very good. Very good.
Dragonite is so cool. What do you think?
I love Dragonite.
Please, Charizard, give me one of your Charizards. What Charizard booster attack? Trainer, Starmie, Machoke, another Trainer Super Potion, Surfing Pikachu, Trainer, Tangela, Venusaur, Spirit Link, and a
Another Ho-Oh.
Oh. I called it an it's a ho-ho. Sorry. Okay. Let's open this one. This one feels thick. See if it has good stuff inside. The first thing we get is a Misty's Determination. Then Eradicate, Magmar, Trainer, Porygon, Ponyta, Nidorino, Poliwag, Trainer Pokédex, and a Gardevoir. I can't even say that.
A whole box of evolutions.
See what this is. Oh, is this a new Pokemon? Please tell me. Yes! Drizzle, a Pincurchin, Graplock, a Seal, Blipbug, Galarian, Obstagoon.
That thing looks interesting.
Yeah, this right. Bisharp, an Argyle, and a Magnezone.
Oh, that looked like a different deck, right?
Yep,
It didn't
it
look,
was.
It didn't look anything like the other decks in here. All right, let's hope this one's full of...
Oh wait, this one has not been opened. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing we get is, of course, a Ghastly. Ghastly, Growlithe, Haunter, Diglett, Trainer, Spray, Clefairy, I can't say that, I don't know.
Nidoran.
Oh, Nidoran, okay. Brock's Grit, and a Rayquaza. Where's the Charizard and the Mew?
For real, this is, hit me with a Charizard.
An Earfetch, or should I say Farfetch'd?
Earfetched. The cousin of Farfetch'd.
Then there's Caterpie, Full Heal, Trainer, a Ghastly, Growlithe, Haunter, Diglett, Trainer, Spray, and...
Another one of these. All right.
give us at least a Charizard, a holographic, right?
Yeah, or how about a Blastoise? I'll even take a Blastoise at this point. I'd be really happy with a Blastoise. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Or a Venusaur.
Or Mew.
Or a Mew.
Sandshrew.
Oh, we got
Another
more of these Pidgeots than you can shake a stick at.
Trainer. Eradicate.
Eradicate.
Magmar. Trainer Potion. A Porygon. Ponyta. And a Deoxys.
Deoxys.
Oh. I did not notice that. It's okay. Super Potion, Surfing Pikachu, a Trainer Switch, Tangela, a Venusaur Spirit Link, a Voltorb, Phoenix, Weedle, and a Glaceon.
Yeah, wait. Oh, heck yeah, bro. Non-holographic. Oh, yeah. Check this out, guys.
Charizard.
Non-holographic. That's right. Looks like everything else, but with Charizard.
Then there's a
Blastoise.
Link Spirit. A Beedrill, Arcade. Wait. A Seal. Trainer. Starmie. Backchoke. And an Emrigo.
This is actually the best one we've gotten so far because it's not a plant. Right?
Yeah.
I feel like
every single one was a plant. Diglett, a Spray, a Clefairy, Brock's Grit, another Pidgeot, Charizard Spirit Link, a Flying Pikachu.
Finally! That is an
Flareon EX.
awesome card. Because it's got Jolteon and the mermaid one.
And your favorite is Flareon.
My favorite is Flareon. Oh, this is a great card. This is the best card we pulled today. Easy.
For me, it's all those not Pikachu, sorry. It's all those Mewtwo's.
All the Mew gang.
A Doduo, Drowsy, Dugtrio, Charmeleon, Electrode, Trainer, Earfetch or slash Farfetch, Caterpie, Blastoise.
Money!
What?
Yeah, we finally got Blastoise. Dude, this is all I wanted this whole entire time was this sweet, sweet Blastoise. Look at this. Just take it in. Look at it. Blastoise EX. Sweet. With just a couple packs to spare, we finally pulled a Blastoise out of this whole box. So you want to do the last two and I do the last two?
Okay.
All right.
So, let's see what this one is. It feels thin, so I don't know if it'll have good stuff inside. Trainer, it's a Slowbro, Spirit Link, Starmie, Machoke, a Super Potion, a Surfing Pikachu, Trainer, Tangela, a Venusaur, Spirit Link, and a Mewtwo.
Ah, it's so appropriate. You picked it.
And the last one I'll be opening is this Venusaur pack, booster pack. So the first thing is a back choke, then a super potion, surfing Pikachu, trainer, Taylor, a Venusaur Spirit Link, Voltorb, Vulpix, and
It's a deer! We got Rudolph!
Rudolph the Red
EX! We got Rudolph EX!
Had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows.
It glows.
Okay, now on to Dad.
Welcome back. And so we got 3 packs, not 2. That was a miscount by me. And we're going to go through and see what we've pulled so far out of this Evolutions box. We've got a Xerneas EX, so many Mewtwo EX. My favorite pull of the day, Mia pulled it, is this Blastoise. Freaking love it. Freaking love it. No, actually, this one's my favorite. This isn't the favorite one that she pulled all day, which is Flareon EX with the homies. I mean, this is one of my favorite cards, easy. Then we got Emogala, which is also top 3. We're looking at my top 3 favorite cards of the day right now. And now we move on to Glaceon. Glaceon's really pretty. Glaceon's looking good too, actually. Then we got Deoxys EX, which is looking legit. And now we have Kyogre EX. And now we have Rayquaza, which I guess is the lizard Pokemon? Maybe the lizard Pokemon? And then we have Magnezone. Okay, and we have Gardevoir, the French Pokemon. The Ho-Oh, not to be confused with Oho. This is Ho-Oh. Oh, this one, I forgot it existed. This one's top 5 for me, Dragonite EX.
That's my favorite pull of the day.
That is one of the best pulls. We got these Charizards, but none were holographic. All were very just flat. We got Scizor, a few of those. A Flying Pikachu, another Charizard. We're just going to put those actually with the other pack of non-holos. Stop pretending like you're a holo when you're just a Charizard. And then we got the Viserion EX, the Kyogre, another Kyogre EX, another Scizor EX, a Mewtwo EX, another Ho-Oh, a Deoxys EX, different than the other one. That's pretty nice. Eglash EX, another Mewtwo EX, a Skarmory EX, another Rayquaza, but this one's a different look on it. Scizor EX, Verizon EX, Togglekiss, hate this guy. Ho-Oh, okay. Gardevoir EX, another Mewtwo, one of my favorite, another Mewtwo EX, and then a Hawalachua, which is easily, this is number 5, behind Dragonite is my favorite card. Look at how awesome this scene is. It's just a dope scene that's going on here. Okay, so we got 3 more packs left to open. We have
like 300 cards.
Yeah, well, it's a whole box, you know. All right, so we got 2 Venusaurs and a Charizard. We'll save the Charizard for last.
If it finally has what you've been looking for, Dad.
Hopefully, just give me a Charizard EX or GX. Just make it shiny, baby, and make it a Charizard. All right, Staryu. Hitmonchan.
As soon as you get that,
Kakuna.
you get the bag.
Here comes Red Rocket. The Duo. And Drowsy. Doug Trio. It's Wailord.
He literally almost took up the entire ocean in the map when I was playing. I found him.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, well, that's not a Charizard. That's what I've learned. Ooh, this is a no, it's not a thick. This is a thin one. This one's kind of like a Big Mac, you know? It feels like it's going to be a big deal, but it's really just all bread. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we're going to start off strong with a Ponyta. All right. Nidorino. Poliwag. Trainer. Pikachu. What the heck, Misty? Rattata. Why do I pull all the Mewtwo's? Nice! That is a cool pick. All right, but I know why do I pick all the Mewtwo's? But this is really all right. I like it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a good one. I like it. This is cool. Okay, so we got one more pack. We've done 36 packs.
Wait, what?
That's how many are in a box, 36.
Wow.
We've opened 36 of these tonight, and we still have yet to get EX like this, but with a Charizard on it. So, let's see. Is it chonky?
Hopefully
it's
you get
not.
a team up.
Oh, that would be cool. It's not chonky. It's quite light. All right, I'm going to put all my hopes and dreams into it.
Let's see.
Starting off with a Rattata. That's a bad sign. Mewtwo EX. Oh, God. Trainer.
I keep pulling my favorites.
Charmander. I know, right? Slowbro. This is Nidoking. What is wrong with me? I pulled this exact one already. Poliwhirl. Yeah! The last card of the pool.
It's a Charizard.
It's a Charizard EX. We got it. With a Flareon. We got the Charizard EX with the Flareon. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen. We have been opening all these. We got all these cards. And we have just been looking for this thing the whole time. We got it. Look how many cards we pulled just to get this thing. We pulled hundreds of cards. It's been a love of labor. But we did it. We did it. And I will you. All right. Well, this ended up being a really good episode. I hope you guys liked it. It ended on an amazing note. We got it, people. We got the Charizard EX.
After trying this 130th time, imagine if that was actually true. Like
this is took 36 packs, but we got it, baby. All right. Well, if you like content like if you like content like this, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. All right, we did it. We got the Charizard card. And we got Dragonite. This has been a killer day. Absolute killer. Where's Blastoise at? Blastoise is in here too somewhere. What a great time it's been. Let's look over everything we got. We got Charizard. We got Blastoise. So these are my favorite picks that we got. Let me pull them up here. So we got Charizard. We got Dragonite. We got Blastoise. We got this super sweet Flareon. This has been a heck of a great pool. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Today, we had a heck of an adventure. As you can see here, we went through a whole Evolutions box. And boy, did it turn out good. So stay tuned. All right, so we've gone through all this Evolutions. We opened 36 packs today. Let's see what we got. We've got my favorite, which is this Charizard EX with the Flareon. I freaking love it. Just a gorgeous card. We got this Dragonite. Absolutely beautiful Dragonite. We got this Blastoise. Gorgeous Blastoise. The Flareon, Jolteon, and Aqua Woman. Love it. Mewtwo, Vaporeon, I mean, Emolga, Mewtwo, Howlchua, Dragonite EX, Ho-Oh EX, Gardevoir EX. Ho-Oh EX. Whale Lord, which, according to Mia, takes up the whole ocean in the game. Mewtwo EX. Deoxys EX. Ho-Oh EX. Togekiss EX. Skarmory EX. Mewtwo! Gonna punch you version. Aegislash. I'm gonna always freaking not do this one word. Togekiss EX. Verizon EX. Gloceon EX. Scizor EX. Rayquan EX. Gardevoir EX. Mewtwo gonna punch you EX. Scizor EX. Kyogre EX. Verizon EX. Scizor EX. Magnezone EX. Rayquan EX. Kyogre EX. Deoxys EX. And Reindeer EX. So if you like videos like this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Alright guys, and then these are the honorable mentions. We got some Surfing Pikachu, some Charizard Spirit Link, Flying Pikachu, Fiery Pidgeot, Blastoise, Charizard, Venusaur Spirit Link, Surfing Pikachu, Pidgeot, Surfing Pikachu, Pidgeot, Charizard Spirit Link, Pidgeot, Blastoise Spirit Link, Surfing Pikachu, Venusaur Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, Mewtwo EX on Holographic, Pidgeot, Mewtwo 99, Trainer Misty, Mewtwo EX, Venusaur Spirit Link, Pidgeot, Surfing Pikachu, Fat Thick Pikachu, THICC Pikachu, Flying Pikachu, Mewtwo, Pidgeot, Blastoise Spirit Link, Blastoise 99, Charizard. Have I done this already? Are we doing this all again? Is this insanity? I'm pretty sure we got the gist of it. We got a whole lot of good stuff. Oh no, I wasn't even going through it all because we didn't even make it to the Sideways Ninetales. We just got a whole lot of duplicates. We got these two Sideways Ninetales and the Nidoking, which I wish was holographic because I love Nidoking. More Slowbros than you can shake a stick at, and Misty's Determinations and Charizards and Flying Pikachus and Surfing Pikachus. And I hope you have a great day. And if you like content like this, please be sure to like and subscribe.